Nation, this is Duntov. I'm at the Allegiant Stadium. It is Friday, November 8th, 2019. I wasn't planning on stopping today, but I just seen they were blacktopping this is that old lot that all the workers used to park in. So it sure looks like it's going to be another parking lot. It's all blacktop. I'm actually going to come out here tonight after it gets dark. I'm going to the SEMA Ignited tonight, and then I was going to stop here on the way home. But I figured I'd stop now. I don't have my regular camera with me, so you're not going to get the good zoom. Then you can also see they're building another crane. I'm gonna walk down that way to get a better view. But really big one again, just like Big Bird. So I guess they're both gonna be working on the new roof. Alright, so I'm gonna walk that way, and then I'm also just gonna add the night video onto the end of this tonight. So this is just bonus footage. How about that game last night? So we're looking good, 2 in a row. So now we get a little break, and we'll play Cincinnati and next weekend. All right, I'm gonna walk around. All right, they took the fence down so you could actually walk on this. This is that big sidewalk they just put in where the old lot used to be. And then if we look across the street, this is on Hacienda. My last video, we seen them getting the forms up. So they got that cement in. And then there's the lot they're blacktopping right now. Okay, I'm street level on the west side. This little road here, this is the one that's going to be L. Davis Way. This is the north entrance. So we got this new crane here they're building. And it's a big, tall one, just like Big Bird. See how far, you can't even see the end of it. It's behind that dirt pile. But they're putting it together now. That's what this crane's doing. That's a good sign. That should mean they're getting ready to put the translucent roof up soon. Because we do have you can see all the cables and stuff in there. You can also see the glass and the panels going up higher on this north end. I mean, they got them almost to the top. That's what I'm hoping to see tonight. See if they're still placing panels, because they do that after everyone else goes home. So they do have this sidewalk also open up. This used to all be blocked off. See all the asphalt trucks waiting in line. So. Alright, it's hard to see here. I'm going to try to zoom in. It's right, you can see the one lift. I got the sun shining right in my face, so it's hard for me to see it on the viewfinder. But you can see they're putting up like a platform there. It's right between the crane and the one lift. There's actually a couple guys up there. That probably is something to do with the torch, because that's the location it is going to go in, and that thing looks round. So you can see the guys there. So they might be starting to build the torch already. Sorry for all the noise. I'm right between the asphalt trucks. I just got a better view though of this platform they're putting up. I would think that is something for the memorial torch. Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov. I am again at the stadium today. It is Friday evening. It's about 8 o'clock at night. So I was here a little bit earlier, you've seen in the earlier part of this video. So it is dark. I can't use my regular camera. It doesn't work at all really at night. So I'm on the cell phone. So I'm zoomed in. You can see up at the top there, they're putting up some panels. I apologize, it's not clear, but when you zoom in, this is the best it gets. So they do the glass and the panels that night just because they need, all the area underneath cleared out with all the other workers. So also, we got a new crane. When I was here this morning, it was still laying down, so now you can see it is up. And it looks like it's a twin to Big Bird over here. So this is the newest one. Leave some suggestions what you want to call it. So I'm assuming, it's ready for the roof. This will be putting up the panels. 2 of these are going to help finish up the roof. Alright, I'm going to walk around a little bit and get some footage. Okay, this is still on the north end. Just showing you inside the lanai doors. See all the cables. I don't know how well you can see it on the video now, but you can see they're getting in there pretty stretched out. You don't see the big sag like it was doing before. Lanai doors. Okay, the sidewalk is actually closed, so they have this temporary area. So we actually get to walk on the site a little bit. Future parking lot site. I'm on the This is Dean Martin I'm walking by. I feel like I'm going here though, I don't know. This is where it said pedestrians should walk. I guess we'll wait until security kicks me out. So this is Big Bird here. There's the new crane. Big up close like this. Very big. All right, so they just announced that the county and the FAA approved all the signage for the stadium, and this outside video board on the east side is going to be 185 foot long. So it's going to go up here on the side here. Video board is going right here. You can see the white stripes, the light panels. It's going to go right above those. This whole inner area right here. It's going to go right in between here. See the raised part here. It's going to go under that and up down to that white area. It's going to be big, and it will be facing. I'll swing around. So the Interstate 15 is right over there. Close road, that is Dean Martin, and then you can see the strip. Okay, so this is where I was just walking. As you can see, we got the sidewalk detour. It's pretty good. You get to walk all along on the inside there, right next to Big Bird. Okay, Raider Nation, this is all I have for today. Wanted to get some night shots again. I don't get the good close-ups, but just get to see some of the stuff still going on. So if you'd like to keep getting updates, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967, so you get updates on the stadium as well as the new headquarters. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.